Want to know how to explore or see various champions or heroes has been unlocked by you or that is available in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step plan on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So first things first, simply open up your Paladins game and you should be provided with this interface right here, which is the main menu. So once you're there, on the leftmost side you should be seeing various options right here from play all the way to profile. So in order to see your champions, right below play you should be seeing champions right here, so you can just simply select it. So now once you have selected champions, here you should be seeing your champions that are available right now. So when you can click any one of these to see about the information, so you can see triggers, pounds, 9 lives and much more according to the talents. So you can select advanced and talents for advanced talents right here. So you can also unlock this by labeling it up, and you can also change it by sorting just like this right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.